Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 7, and our today's topic is Assignment 3 Discussion. Dear students, for discussing it, first of all, you need to know about the topic of the assignment. So, let's try to say it. It's from chapter and title of the chapter, Unit 3. What are friends for? Okay. Then, especially it's from lesson 4, A Sad Day of Parabi. And other lessons are lesson 1, Prize Giving Day at School. Lesson 2, Flora's First Day at School 1. Lesson 3, Flora's First Day at School 2. Lesson 5, The Best Friend. Okay, and this is the basic instruction for the assignment. Okay, assignment or assigned task. Make a list of 3 activities that you can do for your friends during the present pandemic situation. For 3 activities, number 1, which one do you prefer most? Number 2, what problems may you face to fulfill? Number 3, how do you solve the problems? Okay, then in instructions, teacher will check students answer script following assignment rubrics, and this is very easiest term for you. You yourself will read it. Dear students, now let's come to the main topic. First of all, what told to do? Make a list of 3 activities that you can do for your friends during the present pandemic situation. That means we have to make 3 activities that we can do for our friends activities. So first of all, you will write a list of 3 activities that I can do for my friends during the present pandemic situation. Okay, then give colon. Then what may be that 3 activities? It may be, you may write as your wish, but I am writing according to my wish. Okay, I have given number 1, provide mask to my friends. Okay, then number 2, give financial support to them. Then number 3, provide or distribute the sanitizer among them. Dear friends, these are the 3 activities that I can do for this present pandemic situation for my friends. Okay, so the list already created. I have created this. Dear students, I am telling you the answer in short, but you have to make it in broaden. Okay, I will not say you the exact answer. I am just doing you or showing you the guideline. Okay, so this may be the list, and it may be differ to your judgment. That means you can avoid these 3 activities. You can write other activities which you can wish. Okay, then What is the then question? Which one do you prefer most? Dear students, among these three, which one do you prefer most? You have to write that in number 1. Okay, so you will write answer to the question number 1, then you will write among the three. Imagine that you will choose this one. So you will write answer to the question number 1, then you will write among the three activities I would like to prefer number 3 most. Then the question may arise to you that why you prefer number 3 most, because you may write that your father or your family has a dispensary from where you can provide this sanitizer among your friends, and imagine that you don't like this one, you like this one. So for the case of providing mask, you may show the another issue for you for any benefit. Okay, then you will write it elaborately. Okay, then come to number 2. What problems may you face to fulfill? Dear students, as you are students, so you are also inexperienced also, so it's very normal that you will face any problem for doing such kind of task, because no one will try to listen to you, because you are inexperienced and you are younger. So you will face some problem. It may be a financial problem, or it may consultancy problem, because although you are young, someone will not listen to you, someone will not give value to you. This is so simple. So you will face such kind of problems of facing financial problem, then consultancy problem, then your parents will not allow you to go out, and such kind of problem your family also will not allow you to do so. So these are the problems. Okay, then and you may show a lot of problems which you can face or you can wish. Then dear students, number 3, how do you solve the problems? Dear students, if you can find out that problems, then it would be very much easier for you to find out the how to solve it. Okay, imagine that you face financial problem. Then if you face financial problem, then how will you overcome it? For solving financial problem, you may write that we may have money or we may have finance from our elders on, and we may ask them for such kind of activities, that we are doing such kind of activities, and as a result we need money. So from there you may collect it. Then your parents will not allow it to do such kind of activities, because you know that it's a crucial movement, corona pandemic. As a result, you have to make your father or mother understand that you will go outside for helping the people by taking safety measures. You will take hand gloves, then mask and sanitizer with you, then you will go for solving such kind of problems of your friends. So in this, how you will overcome, or you will show how to overcome such kind of problems. Okay, so number 3 was for how to solve the problems. Dear students, I already told number 1, 2 and number 3 how will you do it. Dear students, from these 1, 2 and 3 questions, it seems to you that this assignment would not be very much long, but I will request you to find out more and more issues for solving these 3 questions and write down it, then it would be very much bigger one. Okay, so I hope that all of you got understand this assignment's subject and how to solve it. So write it safely and without any hesitation. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.